Hey guys, it's Samantha, and today I am going to be filming a makeup video. I absolutely love filming makeup videos, so that's what we're gonna be doing. I just recently went to Ulta and I picked up the JUVIA'S Place palette, the Nubian 2. I have a really hard time pronouncing basically everything in this palette. There's gonna be a lot of pointing in this video. I didn't know that they sold these. They sell these at like some Ultas, I found out, because they don't have it at the one by my house. Funny story, I went to 3 Ultas to get this, so it best be good. I never tried it, but I've been hearing great things about this, so I decided to give it a try today. And it was only $20, which is crazy considering the pan sizes on this thing are absolutely huge, and they do come with 12 shades. So really, that's like absolutely amazing. So I'm just gonna do a little first impressions video of this, and I'm really excited to give it a go. I zoomed you guys in on my face. Probably didn't have to tell you guys that because you could have figured it out. So I basically already did my face makeup for today so that I can just hop right into the eyes. And my brushes, my Jaclyn Hill brushes, are pretty dirty. Probably should have like used tape or something, but it's fine. So I'm going to start off with the color Madagascar, which is the lighter of the brown shades, because here's like the other brown, but this brown is like the lighter of the brown shades in there. And I'm going to work this into my crease. There's already the color like showing up, and I barely have done anything yet, so I think I'm gonna do a really simple look today. I kind of already know what I want to do because one color really jumped out to me. So I got that color like blended in the crease, and now I think I'm gonna go into the color Kenya, the darker brown shade right here, and I am just going to put that on the outer corner and blend it a little bit into the crease. So far, these shades are blending out beautifully, and I'm pretty amazed at the quality just because of the price. Like $20 compared to a lot of eyeshadow palettes that are like $50. So I deepened that up a little bit, and now for the part that I was most excited about, I really wanted to use the color Cleopatra, which is this bright blue shade, and I want to put it all over my lid. Now I think I should I'm going to try a brush first, but I feel like it will work best if I use my finger, but I'm just going to try a brush. Okay, it definitely shows up if you use a brush, but I just feel like it would work better with the fingers. Okay, so I think I'm going to use my fingers to put it on and then touch it up with the brush. Yeah, it definitely intensifies it more if you use your finger. That color, so good. I'm gonna go back in with the flat brush and touch up some of the places where I put the blue, where I couldn't really fit my finger. Now I'm going back in with the brown shades and kind of just blending it out. I think I'm actually going to take the color Egypt, which is this green shimmer color, and I'm going to smoke that out on my lower lash line just for fun. I don't know why. So I have the green on my lower lash line, and I think I'm going to take the dark brown color Kenya that I use in the outer corner and blend on the lower lash line the green and the brown a little together. I have the green on the lower lash line in the browns and the blues. I look crazy right now, but the shadows are kind of bad, but So that is what we are working with so far, and I think I'm going to take this shimmer color, Zuri, I think it's called, this one, and I'm going to put it in the inner corners. I'm adding a little bit to the brow bone as well. Okay, that inner corner is pigmented as crap. Actually, all of these eyeshadows are really pigmented. I think I'm gonna add some mascara. I'm gonna add some mascara, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I just added some mascara, and I have to tell you, I absolutely love this palette. I love how this look turned out. Honestly, the eyeshadows blended beautifully, and the shimmers were absolutely insanely pigmented. So I feel like I'm going to be reaching a lot towards this. It has the green and the blue and the yellow, just like the really bright, vibrant shades, but then it also has browns and mattes that you are able to work with on more of an everyday basis. The pan sizes are absolutely huge. I'll see here. Compared to my Jaclyn Hill palette, they are absolutely ginormous. So, and this was only $20 and you get 12 eyeshadows, huge eyeshadows. So also, since they didn't have it at the Ulta store near me, there is a website you can go to and look up where they do sell them in Ulta stores. So I would look that up before you go to your Ulta, just to see if your Ulta has it. Or you can always order it online off of Ulta or off of their website, and I highly recommend it. And this is my first time ever using it, and I'm already in love with it, and I already want more from this brand. Yeah, this was kind of just a quick little first impressions video. I decided to make a video during my first time using it because I had a feeling I would like it, because it does look so beautiful when you open it up. So yeah, I really liked it, and if you are deciding whether or not to get this, I strongly suggest that you should, if my opinion matters to you, which I don't know why it would, but if it did, you should just get that. Okay. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I know it's kind of just a little quick one, but thank you so much for watching this video. I love filming makeup videos, but I do film other things as well. I post weekly, so if you like this video, I'm sure you would like some of my other videos as well. So be sure to subscribe, and if you are subscribed, then I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.